And now, for a true unplug from all the chaos of the city, we find ourselves in Branford, Connecticut, where nature takes over.
Charlie, I sensed you were here.
I'm happy I've been summoned.
Welcome to Diamond Rose Sanctuary. Come on in.
Tell us a bit about the house.
Yeah, so the house has 4 bedrooms. There's 5 beds. Pets are welcome. There's room for 10 people to come meditate, do yoga, do breath work. So we have seen all different types of people come from all across the world and really enjoy this healing sanctuary.
So there's a lot to be understood here, but give us the actual floor plan from when you walk in the front door.
Sure, so you walk in, there's a huge kitchen with a big island, and then we have the den in there where this is where we have all the tarot cards so you can look and see what's coming up in your life. And then we of course come into this room, which is we call the ceremony room. Breathwork, yoga, meditation, sound bath. So this is a space where people just really learn to meditate, really learn to breathe. And so when you go upstairs on the top floor, you have a beautiful bedroom with a view of the ocean, of Long Island Sound here. And then there's a beautiful bedroom that has 2 queen beds, with one side overlooks the garden, the other side the woods, and you just very, very peaceful, very zen. And then we have another room which we call the orange room, which is like super cozy. That's when you really want to like nestle in with a good book and just feel incredibly cozy. And it faces the woods, so you have the energy of the trees just like holding you.
You've done everything to bring people to peace, but I've heard that some of those amenities you have really take the people away.
Oh, you have no idea. We're going to take you to the recovery and biohacking area where you can experience the detoxification of the sauna, resetting the mind in the cold plunge, and then letting the muscles relax in the hot tub. And then we get to go down into the magic of the garden together. Welcome to Diamond Rose Sanctuary. Welcome to the amphitheater.
What all comes with the grounds? Because you have massive property here.
Yeah, we have a shared clay tennis court, a shared beautiful beach with paddle boards, with kayaks.
You've taken people and you've let them unplug, rediscover themselves. So cheers to your father's legacy and to your family's legacy.
Thank you.
And congratulations, and thank you for all the peace you've brought others. Let's hit the garden.
Okay.
Hello, Fire. I'm Charlie Boots, and I'd like to offer you, Fire, for what we'd like more of is world peace. And what we'd like to get rid of, personally, missed free throws and bad vacations.
Thank you, Fire. You know me well at this point. My name is Vivian Rosenthal, daughter of Michael Rosenthal. You know what I'm releasing. You know what I'm calling in. Whew.
This right here
Yeah.
is a dream staycation.
That it is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Incredible.